Although it was believed to be the opposite, coffee is actually extremely beneficial for our health. Numerous studies have found that it is, in fact, abundant in antioxidants and beneficial nutrients that can lead to health improvement and can reduce the risk of several serious diseases. We will now reveal some of the most important health benefits of coffee, which have been confirmed in actual human studies. Essential nutrients. Coffee contains important nutrients, such as pantothenic acid, riboflavin, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and niacin. Rich in antioxidants. Coffee may actually be the healthiest aspect of the diet of those who eat a standard Western diet, as it contains a massive amount of antioxidants. To be more specific, research has shown that most people get more antioxidants from coffee than both fruits and vegetables combined. Helps burn fat. Caffeine is one of the few natural substances that have actually been proven to aid fat burning, and due to that, it is found in almost every commercial fat-burning supplement. Research has pointed out that it can specifically increase the burning of fat by as much as 10% in obese individuals and 29% in lean people. Moreover, many studies show that caffeine can boost the metabolic rate by 3 to 11%. Prevents Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative disease and the leading cause of dementia worldwide. It usually affects people over 65 years of age. Unfortunately, there is no known cure for Alzheimer's, but there are several things you can do to prevent the disease. This includes healthy diets and exercise. Furthermore, drinking coffee is incredibly effective as well, as several studies show that coffee drinkers have up to a 65% lower risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. Lowers risk of type 2 diabetes. This gigantic health problem currently afflicts about 300 million people worldwide. Nevertheless, the researchers discovered that people who drink the most coffee have a 23 to 50% lower risk of getting this disease, with one study showing a reduction as high as 67%. Another large review that perused data from 18 studies, and a total of 457,922 individuals, pointed out that each daily cup of coffee was associated with a 7% reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Protects the liver. The liver performs hundreds of important functions in the body. However, it can be seriously harmed in the case of several common diseases, including hepatitis and fatty liver disease among others. Many of these diseases can lead to a condition called cirrhosis, where the liver has been largely replaced by scar tissue. However, coffee may prevent cirrhosis, since people who drink 4 or more cups per day have up to an 80% lower risk. Improves energy levels and can make you smarter. Caffeine, the stimulant in coffee, is actually the most commonly consumed psychoactive substance in the world. It blocks an inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain, which leads to a stimulant effect. This can enhance various aspects of brain function and can improve your mood as well as your energy levels. Lowers the risk of certain cancers. This serious illness is one of the world's leading causes of death and is characterized by the uncontrolled growth of cells in the body. Yet, coffee seems to be beneficial in this case as well. Namely, it appears to be protective against 2 types of cancer, liver and colorectal cancer. Liver cancer is the 3rd leading cause of cancer death in the world, while colorectal cancer ranks 4th. Studies found that coffee drinkers have up to a 40% lower risk of liver cancer, and those who drank 4 to 5 cups of coffee per day had a 15% lower risk of colorectal cancer.